This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about computers. In what conditions would you use a computer?
I use a computer for work, studying, browsing the internet, and entertainment. It's a versatile tool for tasks like writing, researching, and connecting with others online.
When was the first time you used a computer?
The first time I used a computer was in school when I was about 10 years old. It was mainly for simple tasks like typing and playing educational games.
What would your life be like without computers?
Without computers, my life would be much more difficult. Tasks like research, communication, and work would take much longer, and I would miss out on many conveniences.
In what conditions would it be difficult for you to use a computer?
It would be difficult to use a computer if there was no internet or if the system was not functioning properly. Without access to software or power, it would be unusable.
Do you think computers are important for children?
Yes, computers are very important for children as they help with learning and development. However, it's essential to balance screen time with outdoor activities.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person you know who enjoys music. You should say who this person is, what kind of music they like, how they became interested in music, and explain why you think they enjoy music so much.
One of my closest friends, Sarah, has a deep love for music. Her passion started young, as her parents were music enthusiasts who often played the piano and sang at home. This upbringing gave her a strong appreciation for various genres, from classical to pop and jazz, and shaped her diverse musical taste. Sarah is also a talented pianist, having started learning as a child. She spends hours practicing and finds playing the piano relaxing and expressive. Watching her perform at family gatherings or small recitals is inspiring because you can see how much music means to her. She often says it's her way of expressing emotions that words cannot capture. Her love for music doesn't stop at playing the piano. Sarah is an avid concert goer, always eager to attend live events and discover new artists. She often invites me along, and these experiences are not only fun, but have also expanded my own musical interests. Her enthusiasm for live music and her excitement about exploring different styles make every outing enjoyable. For Sarah, music is more than a hobby. It's a source of peace and happiness. It helps her escape the stress of everyday life and immerse herself in something meaningful. Her dedication and passion for music have even inspired me to appreciate it more deeply. I truly admire her ability to connect with music and how it plays such a vital role in her life.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of music. Why do some people become interested in music from a young age?
Many people develop an interest in music early because of their family environment. Parents or teachers who introduce music can spark curiosity. It could also be exposure to fun songs or inspiring performances that make them love music. Early experiences with instruments or singing can build lasting interest.
How is music education different now compared to the past?
Music education now includes modern technology, like apps and online tutorials, making it more accessible. In the past, people mostly relied on private lessons or schools, which could be limited to specific styles. Today, students can explore global music genres easily online, broadening their knowledge. Technology also allows for more interactive and personalized learning experiences.
What role does music play in social events?
Music creates an enjoyable atmosphere at social events. It can help set the mood, bring people together, and make the experience memorable. From weddings to festivals, music adds energy and life to the gathering. It often becomes a key part of traditions, making events more meaningful. Music can also inspire dancing and fun, encouraging people to participate actively.
Do you think music can bring people from different cultures together?
Yes, music is a universal language that goes beyond cultural differences. Songs with meaningful lyrics or catchy tunes can touch anyone, making it easier for people from diverse backgrounds to connect and share experiences. Music projects with artists from various cultures also show how creativity can bring people together.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.